Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another toy hunt. Today it's raining, it's miserable, but nothing stops us. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail, we're always on the hunt. We'll see when we get to the first stop. Here we are on our first stop, Walmart, this morning. Let's see what they got here. Let me see. Hogan, Warrior, Mankind, Undertaker, $1 Million Man, Flair hanging out. A lot of Hangman. Oof. A lot of Hangman page. Here. Seth Papa Shango hanging out up there. Cody Rhodes. Buzz Off. Sorceress. I don't see anything jumping out at me. Let's check out the Star Wars. Chases at all. I've only seen one chase of these ever, and the box was torn to shreds, so I didn't get it. Just my luck, but yeah. So actually, it was this one. It was a chase, but didn't get it. Like I said, the box was trashed. Let's go around the Lego. We'll come back. We got a Lego. Give that kid a chance to watch and see what he wants. In the meantime, not a whole lot of new stuff here either. That's cool. I still have that to put together. I'd like to get that. That's pretty cool looking. But yeah, not a whole lot new. Doesn't surprise me a whole lot, but yeah. Let's go. There's that ship again. Yeah. I put the Venom together last night. Got to do the Spider-Man. Guess we're gonna head to NECA Funko. See you there. Okay, the main toy aisle was empty again, so I went back in here. There's not much here, guys. This is you guys who are getting all those new Star Wars, you guys are pretty fortunate. We're not getting that here. Not that I see. Unless I'm blind, but I don't see anything. We don't have the big display of Star Wars like some of you guys have. Maybe it's coming. Patience, Joe, patience. Not my strong suit, but anyway, let's go back to NECA Funko for more disappointment. See you there. Okay, we're back here in NECA Funko. $12 Star Trek figures. Whew. Oh my. Let's go over here. Huh. It's like I never left, guys. Holy. Gremlins. Yeah. Not a lot here. guess we're gonna head over to our next stop for more disappointment. But let's do it. See you there. Okay, here we are. Second Walmart stop. Let's see if they got any chases. No, they still got Penta. Ooh, that's an old one. On a page, Dusty Roads. Arrow that hasn't been on TV since the Ice Age. Nothing. Bunch of Cody's. Oh, Cody hanging out there. Yeah. Let's see. Take her. Vince McMahon. Shane. Not Shane either. Stephanie. Jesus Christ. Let's see. A lot of Black Panther. Dinos. Not even gonna look at them anymore. They're everywhere. A lot of stuff up top. I might have to go for a leap. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna check out the AEW. I'll be right. So here's our Star Wars. Lando and Leia and the third sister. You think I'm lying, guys? I can't make this shit up. Let's go over the neck of one. Walking by our clearance section. Oh. Only thing they have on clearance really is this. On our way to NECA Funko still. Sidetracks. What a mess. Here we are. Come on, guys. You gotta do better than this in these stores. I mean, I know you're short on people, but it was terrible. I know this probably happened on Black Friday, but to be honest, this store is always like this. Not a whole lot here. And if there is, I ain't gonna touch it. All right, I'm gonna look at this mess on my own. I'll see you back in the car. All right, guys, 2 Walmarts on a rainy day and empty-handed, and that's okay. But at least I got out. I may try to go to another store today if I have a chance, but yeah, if not, then I'm empty-handed this time. So no big deal. I'm not gonna force it. If there's nothing, there's nothing. So we will either see you at another store, and if not, then next time. Either way, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, share, ring the bell, all the above. If you like what you saw, if you saw anything that you might like, if you like what I'm doing, if you like my video, yeah, like, subscribe, hit the button, and share it with your friends who may also see something in my stores. Yeah, so don't forget to tune in to also Talking Nerdy every other Tuesday at 7 p.m. And every Sunday at 9 a.m. we have Well-That Effing Figures. So a lot going on. No big deal today. Didn't get anything. That's all right. The place was this one here was ramsacked. It was not fun to walk through. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. You'll either see me at another store or you'll see me on the next hunt. Catch you later.